what's up, guys? So this is the Proform 500 SPX. You can see right there. Make sure this is the bike you're looking at. So basically today I want to talk about a little more about your tablet holder and how to connect your LCD basically. So your tablet holder, it just put your tablet here and it holds it. Could hold pretty much any size tablet. You can also put your cell phone or stuff like that. So this is your LCD. Okay, your LCD is just like this. It is battery operated, so your battery does go to the back. So when you're connecting it, you have this special plug right here. Now with this plug, you'll bring it down. You bring it all the way down. It will connect to a little tab right there. After you're done, it will go down until this little groove right here. So you make sure you have this groove. This is your sensor. You'll slide it in. Just like that. I usually line it up just like that. And this will give you the stuff on your screen. So for instance, you go back up. So that's your LCD. It will turn on. Okay, so this is your LCD. To reset, you hold down the mode button. It will reset. Once you start pedaling, it will tell you what's your speed, the miles. So that sensor right down there will tell you everything up here. Once you're done, you will stop. It will tell you exactly what did you do. You will hold this down and it will reset. And this will auto turn off. Pretty cool.